Best 5 Home Security System 2023. A home security system is an essential part of keeping your home and family safe. With so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. In this video, we will review the best home security systems available on Amazon. Five, Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit. The Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit comes with everything you need to secure your home. It includes a base station, keypad, contact sensors, motion detectors, range extender, and a panic button. The system is easy to set up and can be controlled using the Ring app. The system also offers 24/7 professional monitoring for an additional fee. Pros: easy to install, customizable, 24/7 professional monitoring available. Cons: additional fee for professional monitoring. 4. Aqara Home Security System. The Aqara Home Security System is a comprehensive home security system that includes a hub, door, and window sensors, motion sensor, and a key fob. The system can be controlled using the Aqara app and can be integrated with Alexa and Google Assistant. The system also offers real-time notifications and can be expanded with additional sensors and devices. Pros: easy to install, affordable, expandable. Cons: limited professional monitoring options. 3. SimpliSafe Wireless Security System. The SimpliSafe Wireless Security System is a popular home security system that includes a base station, keypad, door and window sensors, motion detector, and a panic button. The system can be controlled using the SimpliSafe app and offers 24/7 professional monitoring for an additional fee. The system also offers a range of customizable options, including entry and exit delays and smart home integration. Pros: easy to install, customizable, 24/7 professional monitoring available. Cons: additional fee for professional monitoring. 2. Tuya Smart Home Security System. The Tuya Smart Home Security System is a versatile system that includes a hub, door, and window sensors, motion detector, and a key fob. The system can be controlled using the Tuya app and offers real-time notifications and video monitoring. The system also supports Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands and can be expanded with additional sensors and devices. Pros: easy to install, affordable, expandable. Cons: limited professional monitoring options. 1. Blink Outdoor Security Camera System. The Blink Outdoor Security Camera System is a wireless camera system that includes 2 weather-resistant cameras and a sync module. The cameras are easy to install and can be controlled using the Blink app. The system offers real-time notifications and free cloud storage for recorded footage. Pros: easy to install, weather-resistant, free cloud storage. Cons: limited coverage area, no professional monitoring options.